To make Doordash dark mode, start by opening the Doordash app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Account menu. From the Account menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Display or Theme option. Tap on this option to view the available display settings. Some versions of the Doordash app may have a dedicated dark mode toggle, while others may require you to select a system default theme. If you see a dark mode toggle, simply switch it on to enable dark mode. If not, look for an option that says System Default or Follow System Theme, and select it. This will apply the system default theme to the Doordash app, which should be dark mode if your device is set to dark mode. To ensure that your device is set to dark mode, go to your device settings and look for the display settings. In the display settings, find the theme or appearance option and select dark mode. This will apply dark mode to your entire device, including the Doordash app. By following these steps, you should be able to enable dark mode on the Doordash app. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain and improve battery life, making it a useful feature to have on your device. Remember to check your device settings and the Doordash app settings to ensure that dark mode is enabled correctly.